Hello, this is Zach here from Trip VSA. This quick video here, we'd like to go through SCGM. Currently, we do see there is a green pentagons with a white spread bar, but of course, at the moment, the volume is not that high yet. Okay, so currently it's around like 12, okay, by the time I'm doing this video here. So hopefully towards the end of the day, we will see more volumes coming in to complete so-called this a minor pullback, right? But the reason why, many reasons why I'm covering this video today, because overall they actually uh, coming from a very nice base of accumulation. So if I look into these weekly charts over here, they're actually still holding on 2040s with the background of green pentagon. So for members, especially for members that if you attended the well building course, right, this is one of the stocks that we also covered, by using the FA growth screeners. So the background here, we have some sound strength, like a very strong sound strength, with the price, holding well on the 2040 moving average at the moment. So this is the area that we want to look for more signals, okay, especially like low volume, okay, before it will able to break above the resistance. Okay, so hopefully we will see more signs coming in moving forward. Of course, today we must expect a higher volume coming in to ensure there is some efforts, okay, to maintain, okay, this level over here. Now this is a bar that actually come with high volume the other day on down bar, okay, but subsequently this price level actually the whole while. So today this is a bar that we want to check, is there any good sign, okay, to tell us that the strength or the smart money is still in control, right? If I look into Pierce chart setup over here, this is the Pierce one come with high volume on south bar. Okay, so subsequently, if let's say there's any of this volume bar, higher volume, they can break above, technically it will form a good support. Subsequently, potentially it will try the resistance or maybe even break above the resistance. Okay, so hopefully today we'll see a good, nice completions of these so-called pullbacks over here. And against volume is very important, okay, for us to check the healthiness, okay, of this overall accumulations area.